Electric car, EcoFacto quiz. Are you ready for the road? Welcome to Go Green Hub and buckle up for an electrifying quiz as we dive into the world of electric vehicles. How well do you know your EVs? Are you prepared for the road ahead? Let's rev up with this 10-question EcoFacto quiz on electric car. Are you ready for the road? Question 1. What is a significant cost consideration when purchasing an electric vehicle, EV? A. The expense of installing a home charging station. B. The potential need for battery replacement. C. The price of a new car battery. D. The cost of gas for long commutes. Answer to question 1 is A. The expense of installing a home charging station. Explanation. The cost of installing a home charging station can be a significant expense associated with owning an EV. It's not just about buying the car, but also about setting up a convenient way to keep it charged and ready to roll. Question 2. How long does it take to charge an EV to 80%? A. 10 minutes. B. 30 minutes to 2 hours. C. 2 minutes. D. 4 hours. Answer to question 2 is B. 30 minutes to 2 hours. Explanation. It takes between 30 minutes to 2 hours to charge an EV to 80%, depending on the charger type and battery condition. Question 3. Which of the following is not a drawback of EVs in hot weather? A. Limited range due to battery performance. B. Increased electricity costs due to home charging. C. Decreased range due to hot weather. D. Reduced efficiency of the battery. Answer to question 3 is B. Increased electricity costs due to home charging. Explanation. Hot weather can lead to increased electricity costs due to the need for more frequent home charging. Question 4. What is the potential inconvenience of owning an EV for those in rural areas? A. Limited options for repair shops. B. Higher electricity costs. C. Longer charging times. D. Limited access to charging stations. Answer to question 4 is D. Limited access to charging stations. Explanation. Rural areas often have limited access to charging stations, making it inconvenient for EV owners. When you're far from the hustle and bustle of the city, finding a charging station can be like finding a needle in a haystack. Question 5. What is a possible challenge when seeking maintenance for an EV? Finding a mechanic versed in EV technology. It's a whole new world under the hood of an EV, and not every mechanic is equipped to handle it. A. The availability of online repair tutorials. B. The ease of finding a mechanic versed in EV technology. C. The presence of independent repair shops in your area. D. The affordability of maintenance. Answer to question 5 is B. The ease of finding a mechanic versed in EV technology. Explanation. Finding a mechanic with expertise in EV technology can be challenging, potentially leading to higher maintenance costs. Question 6. Which of the following is not a potential drawback of owning an EV in cold weather? Increased battery efficiency. Just like us, batteries don't perform their best in the cold, leading to reduced range and performance. A. Reduced range in freezing temperatures. B. Increased battery efficiency. C. Battery performance issues. D. Potential need for a home charging station. Answer to question 6 is B. Increased battery efficiency. Explanation. Cold weather can decrease battery efficiency, leading to reduced range and performance. Question 7. What is a significant factor in the environmental impact of an EV? The source of electricity used for charging. Not all electricity is created equal, and the greener the source, the greener your ride. A. The source of electricity used for charging. B. The type of battery used. C. The presence of a home charging station. D. The number of miles driven annually. Answer to question 7 is A. The source of electricity used for charging. Explanation: the environmental impact of an EV depends on the source of electricity used for charging. Question 8. What is a potential additional cost associated with owning an EV? The cost of a home charger installation. It's one thing to drive an EV, but another to keep it charged and ready to go. A. The price of a new car battery. B. The cost of a home charger installation. C. The expense of a replacement vehicle. D. The cost of gas for long commutes. Answer to question 8 is B. The cost of a home charger installation. Explanation: installing a home charging station can be an additional cost associated with owning an EV. Question 9. What is a significant challenge for those with a daily commute over 250 miles? A. The limited range of an EV. B. The potential need for a home charging station. C. The need for a gas-powered vehicle. D. The availability of charging stations on the road. Answer to question 9 is A. The limited range of an EV. Explanation: EVs typically have a limited range, which can be a challenge for those with long daily commutes. Question 10. What is a potential environmental concern related to EVs? A. The impact of battery production. B. The use of natural energy sources. C. The potential reduction in carbon emissions. D. The eco-friendly advantages of an EV. Answer to question 10 is A. The impact of battery production. Explanation: battery production for EVs can have a significant environmental impact depending on the methods used. Thank you for joining the EcoFacto quiz on Are you ready for hitting the road with an electric car? How did you fare? Share your results in the comments, and let's see who's ready to take the wheel of an electric vehicle. Remember that every small step towards sustainability makes a big difference. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep going green. And don't forget, we have a surprise for you just for participating in our eco-friendly quiz. Aren't surprises great? So listen closely. We would like to give away one of these coffee cups or a Go Green Hub water bottle. Anyway, we're going to give away one. So let us know if you're interested. Give us a comment, and we will have a special quiz drawing for one free coffee cup or Go Green Hub water bottle. Yes, the Go Green Hub is the go-to source for all things of sustainable energy and transportation.